You know, it's that time of year when you cleaned your house for the holidays, and now you have to clean it for after the holidays.
Oh, that's a lot of laundry.
Who you telling?
So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing in this video. I've got laundry to fold, and I'm going to be showing you some gadgets that I purchased that I saw on Instagram, and we're going to see how they work, guys. So if you have nothing else to do or you don't want to clean your house, then come watch me clean mine. Alright guys, now that my laundry is done, come with me and let's do some more cleaning. So I'm trying out these stone water absorbing coasters. I saw this on Instagram and I really like that the water would just absorb within the stone and not get all over my counter. So we're going to try it out. And this is what it came with when I opened the package. Alright, so you know when you have water dripping from your stuff and it just continues to settle on the countertop? Well, this is supposed to help it absorb and not be all over your countertop. I also got one for this section here. Now this little stone is too big for this area that I had it for. I knew it was going to be, but I figured I was going to try to make it work, which is what I'm going to do. So this little adhesive stick that it came with, I'm just going to lay that down and put the stone on top of it and maybe help. I don't know that that's going to work either because as you can see it's kind of slanted. And I also have the anti-stain absorbent mat, and watch how quickly that water absorbs from the mat. Now it's not stone, but look how, because normally the water would just kind of settle on your mat and mildew, but did you see that? That's what I had been using, and of course when you pick that up and turn it over you got mildew, and yeah, it's kind of disgusting. I'm also going to be trying out these damp duster sponges, so I'm going to try that out in the next slide. Okay guys, I thought I had recorded it, but it wasn't recording, so I have already dusted this with the sponge, so it looks good though. So we're gonna move on to my end tables. Alright, so in case you're wondering what's the difference between this and a dust rag, I don't know yet, but from the video I saw on Instagram, it's supposed to trap in more dust, because you know when you use a dust rag, that's what it picked up from the table that I just dusted. And it's a foam, like it's a sponge. You're actually supposed to damp it. I was a little leery of damping it just because I'm putting it on wood, but you don't leave the water in it. Basically you just damp it and then I guess rinse out the water and then presume with your dusting. I don't know that you necessarily really need to use any furniture polish, but I am using furniture polish. But I think basically it's, sorry I keep saying anyway,
Girl,
yeah, so I'm just gonna dust it and we're just gonna see how well it does and relates to using a dust rag. Because typically, like sometimes when I use a dust rag, it's like moving dust just in the atmosphere instead of containing it. And then that dust particles that's in the atmosphere just falls back on your furniture. So you're not really getting any dusting done. So yeah, this is supposed to trap the dust much better where you don't have to dust as often. So we're going to see how well this does, guys. All right, nothing gets more dusty than these stairs. And I hate dusting it because I always hurt my hands when I try to dust between those two iron rods. But I'm going to go ahead and dust it in fast mode. A lot of that you see is some scratches on it versus it being dust. But I'm going to show you the difference from what you're seeing right there to how it looks after I finish dusting it. So I have dusted all the furniture in my family room, and we're just going to see how well the sponge does before I have to start dusting again. Now this is my dining area. This area doesn't get as dusty as the family room area, so I'm not going to dust, this today. But oh, and look guys, this table has a middle middle piece that I took out, so I shortened it, and I think I like it. All right, on to my cozy space, my office slash ladies lounge. It's not really an office, it's more like a place I like to go and just relax. But anyway, guys, as you can see, I have a lot of furniture in here too, but I'm not really trying to tackle that today. I do need to paint in here. As you can see, the walls need painting, but that's also for another day. But the good thing is the place that's most used and most seen in the house is this area because it's right next to the kitchen, and it's just where we hang out at a lot. So yeah, I got it all nice and dusted. So we're just gonna see how long it lasts. All right, guys, it has been 5 days since I dusted, and my furniture still looks nice. Look, no dust. And I have the light on, so normally when the light is on, you can really see the dust particles. Oh, also, I was just showing you that I finally took down my Christmas decor. But yeah, look. So I have to say that the duster sponge really does work. Look, it's still clean, guys, and I kid you not, I have not dusted it or anything, wiped it off, nothing. Look at my stairs. Normally when the light's shining on them, you can see dust, lint, something, but this looks really nice. I'm so excited because of all the house cleaning chores, dusting is the one I detest the most. And my TV stand, it's still looking nice and shiny. All right, guys, look at this mess. Now you see it. And now we're about to do a transformation. I'm happy with the room. And just in case you were wondering why I have my chairs set up like this, because I had one on the other side of the room, but it would sit under an air vent. So it was either getting too cold or too hot when you would sit there. So rather than just trying to have a perfect aesthetic, I had to make things comfortable and practical for me and my hubby. So now I'm going to sit down and just relax, maybe have me a glass of wine, and yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you all in my next video. God bless.